Well, so when we get on top of the podium, when the parking is finished, we'll be building one floor every week.
One floor every week.
So this time in 1 year, you and I will be standing 44 floors.
So it's fine, it's fine.
That's Jonathan Jackson and Betty Kialo 6 months ago. 6 months later, let's go there and see the progress. I promise you it's tremendous. Right now I'm in an elevator at the Crown Plaza Hotel. Let's go down with you and see. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you've not subscribed, kindly look at your right hand side below this video. There is a red word written subscribe. Kindly smash it to enable us gain more potential to show you the positive side of this nation. And also do not forget to like the video. So 88 Nairobi, here we are. When you come closer is when you realize it's getting taller. From a distance you'll think it's not moving. The progress is massive, as you can see, guys. They say they'll be building one floor per week. That is after passing the parking levels. Up to this level, they've already passed the parking levels, and now they're building one floor per week. By 2022, expect this building to be complete. It's also getting visible from Valley Road.